Hi, welcome everyone. Today we are going to discuss why France priced into resigned from his post. Here is detail. Michel Barnier resigned as French Prime Minister on December 4, 2024, after his minority government collapsed due to a no-confidence vote in the National Assembly. The resignation followed a series of political crises, sparked primarily by his controversial budget proposal and his governance style, which alienated both allies and opponents. Key reasons for resignation. 1. Budget controversy. Barnier's proposed budget aimed to address France's growing deficit by introducing a negation 40 billion in spending cuts and a negation 20 billion in tax hikes. This austerity plan was met with widespread opposition across the political spectrum, with critics labeling it as harsh and unfair. His use of Article 49.3 of the French Constitution to bypass parliamentary approval further inflamed tensions, as this mechanism is viewed by many as undemocratic. 2. Parliamentary opposition. Barnier's government, a coalition of centrists and conservatives, lacked a majority in the National Assembly. Despite attempts to negotiate with the Socialist Party and other left-wing groups, he failed to secure support. Even Marine Le Pen's far-right National Rally, which initially seemed willing to collaborate, eventually turned against him, aligning with the left to bring down his government through a no-confidence vote. 3. Broader political challenges. Barnier's administration was criticized as a continuation of President Emmanuel Macron's centrist policies, which had already alienated significant portions of the electorate. The lack of clear solutions to economic and social issues, compounded by rising public dissatisfaction, left his government vulnerable. Political figures across the spectrum viewed Barnier's leadership as unresponsive to the demands of voters who had supported the New Popular Front, a left-wing alliance, in recent elections. Consequences of the resignation. Immediate impact. The government's collapse leaves France in a state of political uncertainty, with no parliamentary elections due until July 2025. The resignation also undermines confidence in President Macron's leadership, as many view him as responsible for appointing Barnier and endorsing his policies. Public reaction. Critics and opposition parties hailed Barnier's resignation as a necessary step toward addressing France's financial and political crises. However, it also raises questions about the future direction of the country's governance. Barnier's resignation marks a critical juncture in French politics, highlighting the challenges of governing a polarized parliament and addressing economic issues in a highly divided political landscape. Please like and subscribe my YouTube channel for upcoming interesting videos.